They say that money cannot buy your health or make you live longer. Welcome to Rich Liberation, where we provide you with the education and resources to turn your dreams into your reality. In today's video, we will reveal some of the ways that you can improve your health, and that will give you the energy and the ability to serve more, and that ultimately increases your wealth and abundance. Let's begin. Number 1, eat healthy, nutritious meals. When you eat healthy, you will feel better and have the energy to go out and tackle your goals on a consistent basis. Number 2, drink lots of water. Hydration is vitally important. When you are properly hydrated, you can focus more and function at your peak potential. Number 3, get a good night's sleep. It is recommended that you go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. This will help you form a better routine and allow for optimal work habits. Number 4, working out and exercise. Get your body in motion. This will help you build strength and endurance. When you have strength and endurance, you can work longer and smarter. This will impact your wealth in a positive way. Number 5, positive environment. Make sure that you are working in an area that is safe and healthy and as uplifting as possible. This will allow you to achieve better results in all areas of your life. Number 6, positive people. They say that you are the sum total of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So why not surround yourself with positive, intelligent people that can help you achieve your financial and health goals? Well, folks, there you have it. If you do these 6 things on a consistent basis, even when you don't feel like it, they will greatly improve your overall health. And when you channel that healthy energy into your wealth goals, you will be shocked at the positive impact it will have. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss another video. Please comment below and let us know if you would like to add anything to this list. We love hearing from our subscribers. In fact, this video was inspired by one of our subscribers, Scott. Scott is one of our devoted subscribers, and he requested a video on this topic. Well, until next time, always remember, stay rich and stay liberated.